The informant, while on parole, is aiding and abetting fraud with the fake cousin. I'm sure if Judge Noel L. Hillman found out, that would be considered a violation of his parole. So why is the federal informant who's on parole and the fake cousin committing fraud on the worldwide stage? Why are they trying to convince the R. Kelly sector that they have something to get R. Kelly out? R. Kelly with this nonsense, but not his lawyers. It is to scam the supporters, make money, and to look for ways to survive off of R. Kelly. Everyone needs to write Robert and tell him that, and everyone needs to write Robert's attorneys and tell them that they're scamming. If there is a lawsuit, please let us know. July 31st, 2022, Robert's lawyers put a motion into the Illinois trial concerning the informant. The informant then got in touch with Robert's attorneys through the fake cousin and had, I'm assuming, a brief conversation, because it went nowhere. That means the informant had absolutely nothing to give Robert's attorneys. It's been a year and a half, and nothing has been filed concerning the informant. Judge Noel Hillman would want to know why he gave a departure for the informant based on the R. Kelly case. But for the past year and a half, the informant has been saying they got everything wrong. They apologize. The judge is going to want answers to that. The judge is also going to want answers to what has Mr. McGee been doing since he's gotten released. Since he's been back in society, he returned to the scene of the crime. It was business as usual, doing the same shit. The judge needs to be made aware of all of that. So the fake cousin who's committing fraud, who's aiding and abetting his co-conspirator, the informant, who is aiding and abetting his co-conspirator, the fake cousin, are taking meetings, wanting to meet with, what did he say, millionaires. They're up top. The judge is going to want to know, up top doing what? Because if you have something that is legally solid, it would be in the appeal. It would also be in a lawsuit, and it would be filed in the court systems with attorneys. So for the past year and a half, the fake cousin has been saying there are only 7 key people to get his cousin out. Him, Rob, the lawyers, the informant, the mother, the father, the daughter. They've been spreading that all over social media. The judge is going to want to know what evidence do they have for making those statements, for taking meetings, for meeting with millionaires up top, and not presenting that before a court of law while he's on probation. So my dossier to the Department of Justice and to Judge Noel Hillman has a preponderance of evidence for the judge to seek answers and get to the bottom of what's going on, because both can't be true. Surely he didn't give a departure and someone did a shorter stint in jail based on it was a setup. So the judge is going to want evidence. He's going to want proof. He's going to want verification for everything that is said. And I've already told him both criminals have scrubbed their pages, so the judge is going to order both channels reinstated. I told him everybody has fake accounts, fake names, fraudulent Google numbers, Google emails. he showed them how to commit crime using the internet. So everyone in Oak Cove, the fake cousin, the informant, everyone attached to them will be thoroughly looked into, because the judge has to decide what's true, what's not. It's not for me to decide. It's for a court of law to decide.